Hey guys, what's going on? I'm very excited to tell you about this next product because I've just been so happy with it since I bought it. It's so funny because it was something that I didn't really think existed and that I didn't know that I needed. So this is Pretty Vulgar. It's actually a black gel eyeliner. It's called the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel liner, 01 blacklist in 0.2 ounces or 6 grams. So normally I would have just used like a regular wet eyeliner, like a gel eyeliner for the bottom of my eyes that comes in like the tube, and then I would have just used like a regular eyeliner for like my inner eye. But what's awesome about this product is it seems to be waterproof and last forever. The inner eye, like for my outer eye underneath, when I line it, it lasts all day. For my inner eye, I would say like maybe once a day you have to really reapply or something like that. But I'm pretty sure the product is waterproof. I didn't even know upon buying it because I was just like, okay, let me try something different. My friend recommended it to me. But I was really, really excited about this. So with this product, you can achieve precise, long-wearing, transfer-proof liner looks with this highly pigmented gel eyeliner. It's enriched with vitamin C to condition the lids. This creamy eyeliner glides on smoothly and evenly. Apply it with the Wing Master Eyeliner Brush to achieve the perfect line every time. So I didn't purchase that, brush that they're talking about, but I did have a brush already in my house, so I just used this. So I kind of just dip it in here. I don't know if you guys could really see because it's black, it's hard to see, but oh my goodness, I've had this for I want to say 3 months, and I haven't even put a dent in it, so I know it's gonna last forever. And I think the bottle is so cool looking, don't you? It's it reminds me of back in the day, the Indian paint pods with the feather on it and stuff. I think that's so neat that they designed it that way. And it has the little Pretty Vulgar, that's their label, with the little bird on the R. On the back here it says the ink 01 blacklist gel eyeliner in 6 grams or 0.2 ounces, made in the USA, distributed by Pretty Vulgar LLC in Boca Raton, Florida, 33487 USA. So I mean, the look and everything, I was kind of just really intrigued by. It literally looks like one of those Indian paint pots from back in the day. I thought it was so cool, and I'm so happy with how long it lasts, literally all day. Just put it on once in the morning and you're good. And if you want to just reapply your inner eye after I would say 7 hours, then you could do that right before you go out or something. If you wore it to work all day and you want to just touch it up, then you could definitely do that. But it's very easy to use, and I'm really happy with it. And it's nice to not have to use 2 different products. And for how long it lasts, it's so inexpensive. It's amazing, and I'm just so happy because it stays in place all day. Okay, so you want to hear a little bit of a funny story. I work with liquor. I was opening a bottle of champagne, not the cork, but the actual champagne went in my eye and it was burning. And my main concern was oh my god, I gotta work there. It was right when I got to work. And I had to run to the bathroom and make sure I thought my makeup was all over my face. No, it completely stayed put. When I tell you I had half a bottle of champagne go flying into one of my eyes, and my makeup didn't budge except for my mascara. I curled my eyelashes, they came down a little bit, but oh my goodness, I feel like I could go skydiving and cry, and the makeup will just stay on my face and I don't even have to worry about it. So yeah, I'm really happy. So I just want to show you guys a little bit. So I'm going to dip my brush into here, and I'm just going to draw a little bit on my skin right now with it so you guys could see. I do have to clean this brush, but I just want to show you. Okay, I'm drawing on my arm right now because I just want to show you how easy it is. I did it soft. You could do it as dark or light as you want to, but I did this really soft, so just so you guys could see. And then I don't know, I let it sit for a couple seconds, and then even to wipe it, it doesn't transfer onto anything. It's just really, it's so amazing. I'm wiping it right now on my, look, it barely transfers, just a little bit because I'm rubbing, but just to show you guys how it stays on, it's amazing to me. And it's a creamy gel, so it feels really nice on your skin. It doesn't irritate, it doesn't get in your eye. It's just really the best gel eyeliner that I've ever had, and it's amazing because it's like got multi-uses. If you guys like to make winged eyeliner, it works great for that. I wore this on Halloween actually. I made myself into a cat and I put like whiskers on my face. It literally didn't budge. I was so happy with it. So guys, I hope you'll try Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner out. It's creamy, it applies smooth and evenly, and really I know that they suggest using the double-ended Wing Master Eyeliner Brush to achieve the perfect line, but I really think you could use like any eyeliner brush and you'll be good. So, but if you do want to get both together, if you don't have one already, then I do suggest that. So I hope you guys will try out Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Liner in Blacklist, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching, everybody.